Aloha world! Good morning! It's Happy Friday! It's Aloha Friday! No work till Monday! Ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Whew! It's hot already though. Ay 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 ay. Woo! Hold on, I need to get a flower. Ay ay ay. Already. Smells like cinnamon. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, world, we are going to work. There's the song got stuck in my head. Kantahan mo. Hold on. My car is sounding funny. It's probably the air conditioner. I'm gonna go around. Ay ay ay. I hope this video, of course, finds you in good spirits and that you are happy. No stress. I saw some clippage of water spouts, tornado forming in the Philippines or in Mandaue and Lapu-Lapu. So hopefully everyone is okay. I have been up, I think it was about 6 hours ago. So hopefully everyone is okay. Please stay away from light posts blowing up. Their transformers are exploding. Stay away from the floods. Keep yourself up high. Kung nagbaha sulod sa balay, make sure that the outlets are not flooded and that there are no exposed wires and plugged in extensions, because kuyaw kaayo na inana will. Anyhow, my car is okay. Ay, ay, ay. It's still ashy in the air. I'm jumping from one topic to the other. It's just so hot right now. Anyhow, there's this song got stuck in my head, and I think I was dreaming about it, and I was sleeping, but my mind was wide awake. So it's a song from Gary Valenciano. Gary Valenciano. Valenciaga. Mo yung ako Valenciaga. Gary Valenciano, I think. If I don't know. I am pretty sure it's Gary. In my days, maybe they had a remake. But it goes like this. Minsan, sabi niya sa akin, sandali na lang. Kala ko naman ay sigurado na ako. Handa kong tanggapin ang kanyang oo. Bigla na lang nagbago ang isip niya. Di ko akalain na ganun pala siya. Pinaasa niya lang ako. Bitin na ako. Oh, hindi ko na alam kung magkakaya ko pa. Di bali na lang kaya. Ay! Sis Amor, ay katawa diha. Inita good world. Ambot nga no. Let me see. Yeah, it's hot outside too. Ay, ay, ay. Minsan ang sabi niya sa akin, sandali na lang. Akala ko naman ay sigurado na ako. Handa kong tanggapin ang kanyang oo. Bigla na lang nagbago ang isip niya. Di ko akalain na ganun pala siya. Inaasahan niya lang ako. Bitin na bitin ako. Oh, hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Di bali na lang kaya. Ako pa ba kaya ang nasa puso niya? Di bali na lang kaya. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Woo! Hot tamale! I hope it rains and it floods our way. I'd rather have flood than hot. Ay, ay, ay. Tagay sa tamig uwan, Lord, oy. I-share ba ang uwan dito sa uban ba nga rin sa amo? Please, Lord. Minsan balik-balik na lang ko ang sabi niya sa akin, sandali na lang. Akala ko naman ay sigurado na ako. Handa kong tanggapin ang kanyang oo. Bigla na lang nagbago ang isip niya. Di ko akalain na ganun pala siya. Inaasa niya lang ako. Bitin na bitin ako. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. A lot of the city crew in my area, they are clearing the dead bushes on the hillside because of fires. So our hillside right now looks kind of barren. It's crazy here, world. It's crazy. Kanta ko na ang Crazy by Patsy Cline, one of my all-time favorite singers. Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy. Crazy for feeling so blue. I know you'd love me as long as you want me, and then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Why do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my life would hold you. I'm crazy for trying. I'm crazy for crying. And I'm crazy for loving you. Crazy for thinking that my life could hold you. I'm crazy for trying. I'm crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Nag-emote. Ayaw pag-emote niya si Viol. Tawa lang tani. Where's traffic? When love is new and the world isn't reaching for you. Aloha, Maria Teresa Zika of Manila family. Ay, 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 ay. When love is new and the world isn't reaching for you, you try hard to hold it up in our hands. Kalimot na noon ko, nagkahinamdam ko ni Moses Amor nga kusog kay ka mukatawa kung makalimot ko sa lyrics. Tawa lang kami. Aloha, Joel Australia, Michelle Australia, Kim Australia, Ching Ching, and the rest of the Australia family. Aloha. Aloha to Sis Viol and family, Brother Renel, Megan Dean. Aloha to our Pagsabungan family. Asa na mo? Lapu-Lapu family nila ni Albert Dakoy, Al-Nainay, May Swico, our Mactan Airport family nga gipanguluhan ni Jennifer Nadella of Priyang's Vlog. Subscribe unya mo world. Ang mga Estrera family o Montelia family sa Bacolod, Mandawi City. Hello. Hello also to our Ibabaw, the rest of the Ibabaw family. Heidi Enriquez, Marga, Virgie Cortez, Angelica Adolfo, July Cortez, and many more. Hello to Argao family, everybody in Argao, aloha. And of course, CDO family, aloha ninyo, Samban family, Ranas family, Bacalso family, Zamora family, Munoz family sa Tukuran, Moldes and Brillantes family, Perolino family, Masicampo family, and Valias family sa Zamboanga del Sur. Hello to our Cambaro family, everybody, cousins and extended family diri sa Cambaro. Aloha. Lyra Legaspi, Hill Legaspi and family, Anthony Swico and family, nila ni Mama, Ibeth, Ellie, Paul. Kumusta na mo? Ako diri magsige lang og pamugas kay pobre. Ay ay ay. Dito. Ingan ana dyan na ang life. Abot na ko world. Hato lang nang gikanta-kantahan o niya abot na ta. Tu 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 tu. Haskang init agad world. Today is supposed to be over 100 degrees. And magampo na lang gyud taan no kay the world is not the same. I still urge everyone to please keep your lands and we plant trees. Plant trees kay kung wala ang trees mao gini ang number one nga reasons why daghang baha kay wa na gyud daghang landslides, wa na gyud nagkupot sa tubig, wa na nag-absorb, wa na nag-hold together sa atong lands, maong daghang landslide and mausa na siya ang reason why nga init gyud kaayo kay the trees absorb most of the heat of the sun for us to bear fruit and everything. So without the trees, eventually everything is just going to go crazy and end. Over here in the United States, it's also flooding in some parts of the states. Daghan jud kayong uwan, hails, nga wa pa ganing fall diri onya. In some parts, like where I am near the Pacific, it's very very hot, and it's also like hell. It's fires all over, and humanity is doing this. We're all doing this to ourselves, and kinahanglan gid no mo wake up gid ta. All of our lands, especially in Cebu and all throughout the Philippines, we are losing them. The developers are just building, you know, for money and hoping for more work. But if you've ever been to Hong Kong or China, you know, most parts of China, it's all, especially Hong Kong, Singapore, nihit na gyud kaayo ang kanang greens, nihit na ang parks, kay tungod sa buildings unya. It's all for money, and the world is changing. It's just going that way. People are living right next to each other, wall to wall, and right on top of each other. There's just no more lands, and it's really sad. So if you own lands, please keep it for the future generation. Keep it for your children, keep it for your grandchildren, because eventually there won't be anything left. And importante kaayo na siya for food, for fresh food. Farming, we need to keep our farming going, because eventually, like the rest of the world, you go to Germany, yes, it's first class, everything is just great, and many parts of the world, but all they're eating is processed food, frozen food that had been, you know, preserved for a month. Wala na fresh food. Allah, kakapi ko world. Ato na ko sa sunod niya na tawag istorya. Love you guys. Aloha. Thank you for listening to my rant. Bye.